Hi students, welcome to my channel Be Inspired. It is a channel I created to share my knowledge regarding maths and some financial knowledge about the stock market. So I'm just doing videos and I'm using this channel to share my knowledge. So please welcome to my channel. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. Welcome to maths class. So today's maths class we are going to start with fill in the boxes with multiplications. Today's maths class we are going to deal with the topic called multiplications. Let's get started without wasting time. Let's get started our video. Hi students, so today I said already we are going to do multiplications, fill in the blanks with numerals. So what kind of fill in the blanks they are giving to us, that we'll solve this. Sorry students, here I didn't selected my pen. And I'm changing the color of the pen also. Here I'm going with blue color pen today. The first question is 6 8s are how much? In the meanwhile you recap the tables. I will say your answers after copying questions. 7 5s are how much? 18 5s are how much? 16 7s are, and 18 9s are. So now starting from the first question, 6 8s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. Now 7 tables. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So these are single digit, that is the reason I done. Now with the 2 digits I'm going to do Japanese method, which we can do it very fast. So it is 18 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now I'll draw 5 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 5. Okay, this one we are not going to count. Now we'll just change the pen color and then we will circle that. We'll just go for red, then we can see it easily. This is 1 2 3 4 5, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35. So here we have only 1, so we'll count, and this one is 0 because there is no other digit, but here we have so many digits. Okay children, we'll follow normal basic method, and that lines are clumsy, so we'll follow this method. 5 8s are 40, 4 carry 0 down, 5 1s are 5 plus carry 4, 6 7 8 9. So the answer is 90. Now in the same way 16 7s are classic method. 7 6 are 42, 4 carry 2 down, 7 1s are 7 plus carry 4, 4 fingers open, 7 after 8 9 10 11, 112. Now 18 9s are 9 8s are 72, 2 down, 7 carry, 9 1s are 9 plus carry 7. 7 fingers open, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 18 9s are 162. Okay children, now we'll move on to the next fill in the blanks. Let me clear this. Now you are going to keep greater than or less than symbols. Put greater than or less than or equals to symbol. I'll go with black color. The first question, 7 into 5 box 6 into 5. So first you should multiply here 7 5s are 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. And here 6 5s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So which is bigger one, either 35 or 30? Yeah, 35 is bigger one. So that is the reason greater than. If this number is bigger one, what we should do? We'll keep less than. Good. If both are same, what we should do? Yeah, equals to. Very good. 8 7s are and 7 8s are. Now read 8 table. 8 7s are, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56. In the same way 7 8s are. If you remember the properties of multiplication, if you are going to multiply in any order, the answer should be same. Means the product should be same. So 7 8s are also 56. If both the numbers are same, what we should keep? Is equal to. Now third question. 3 9s are box 2 15s are. 3 9s are, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. So 15 2s are 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Now 30 is big when compared to 27. So that is the reason we will keep less than. 7 4s are multiplied with 14 2s are. 7 4s are, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 14 2s are, 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28. If both are same, what we should keep? Is equal to. Now the next question. 15 9s are with 16 8s are. Okay. So just recollect 15 9s are now. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Fifteen 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 90, 15 7s are 105, 15 8s are 120, 15 9s are 135. So how much 15 nines here? 135. Now 16 eights are like that, or else we can do here 16 multiply with 8. 8 6 are 48, 4 up, 8 down, 8 ones are 8 plus 4. 4 fingers open, 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or we can do like this. Any option you can follow. So 135, 128. Which is bigger one? Yeah, 135 is bigger one. That is the reason greater than symbol will come. And now we have one more question left. We are left with one more question of this. 17 sevens are box, 25 twos are. So first we'll multiply 17 sevens are. 7 sevens are 49, 4 carry, 9 down, 7 ones are 7 plus 4. 4 fingers open, 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 25 twos are. 2 fives are 10, 1 carry, 0 down, 2 twos are 4 plus carry 1, 5. So here the answer is 119 and here the answer is 50. Which is bigger one? 119 or 50? Yes, 119 means this is bigger one. So automatically the first number is bigger one. We'll keep greater than symbol. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next. Now move on to the next question. Now the question is going to be changed. in the boxes. Okay. The first question is 5 multiplied by something will give 45. Second one, 19 multiplied by something will give 114. Dash into 8 is equal to 48. Dash into 8 is equal to 200. Twelve multiplied by something is equal to 84. And the last one of this, dash into 7 is equal to 91. So these are the questions. Simple. We have to go for tables. 5 table. When you'll get 45, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. Now 19 table. 19 ones are 90, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 54, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 19 sixes are 114. Now 8 table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48. These are small numbers, so we go for tables. Now 8 table, 200. I can't do like that, no? So now I'll go for division, okay? Now 8, here 1 digit, here also 1 digit I should select. When compared to 8, 2 is smaller one. So what I should do? I should take one more digit. I should take one more digit. 8 table 20. 8 twos are 16. Because 8 table 20 will not come. 0 minus 6 is not possible. Borrow. And this will become 1. 10 minus 6. Open your 10 fingers and close 6. How much will get? 4. Now 1 minus 1. 0. And the 0 will come. 8 table 40. 8 fives are 40. So what is the answer? 8 25s are 200. Now 12 table, we all know this, we can read 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 32, 12 sevens are 84. Now 7 table 91. So this also we will go for division. And 7 1 digit, here also 1 digit. When compared to 7 and 9, 9 is bigger one. So that is the reason we will go for 7 table. 7 ones are 7. Now open your 9 fingers and close 7. How many are left? Yeah, 2. Now 1 will come down. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So what is the answer? 13. So in this way we can go for, if the small number is given, we can go for table. If they given a bigger number to you, you can opt this divisions. Or if you divide also, you will normally are going to read a table only. Nothing more than that. Yes or no? Okay. I hope you all understand my video, children. Thank you for listening. Children, please, while going outside, please wear the mask and go. And while coming inside, just wash your hands, legs properly, thoroughly for 20 seconds minimum. Without mask, don't go outside. Outside situation is not good and it is very pandemic situation and cases are increasing a lot. So please, whoever is going outside, please take proper care and go. And whenever coming inside, please follow the steps released by ICMR or WHO. The 3 important steps: you should follow social distance, a minimum of 1 meter or 6 feet. And the next thing is compulsory we should wear mask and go. When we are outside, we should not touch our mask. When we come inside, we should wash our hands, legs thoroughly with the sanitizer. You should clean, or with soap wash. You should just follow the proper steps and stay home, stay healthy.